In the digital world, it's a never-ending game of cat and mouse. Just when you think you've got the bad guys cornered, they find a new way to slip past your defenses. And as the attackers evolve, so must we. This video examines one such evasive attacker, PyPi. We first spotted this attacker in September with the appearance of 4 packages published by the user account Diaz, all containing the same description. 3 of those packages were empty, but one of them contained clear text code for a copycat of the WASP malware called Z-injection. Whoa, time out. What's a WASP malware? Well, for those of you who are not familiar with WASP malware, also known as the WASP stealer, it's a piece of malware which silently steals your valuable information like Discord accounts, passwords, crypto wallets, credit cards, and other precious files on your PC and sends them off to the attacker using a preset Discord webhook address. Now, a few weeks ago, the original GitHub repository hosting the WASP stealer was removed by GitHub. But like a game of copycat, many other attackers under different names have copied WASP's concept, spreading their own versions of the malware, and PyPi was one of them. Now that we got some context, let's continue. Since our first encounter with PyPi, they have continued releasing malicious packages where in each new batch of packages they attempted to use different techniques to conceal the malicious code and make it more difficult to identify the payload, sometimes using different user accounts to spread their malicious code. The malicious code started out as clear text, which quickly evolved into incorporating obfuscation. Then they attempted to hide the malicious code in the bottom layers of the package, making it more difficult to detect. And most recently, we found them using the malicious package as a dropper by adding a snippet that downloads a second stage code from a remote location and saves it to a random path with a random name, and then running it. This second piece of code aided in achieving persistence on the victim's machine by altering the Windows registry. One thing is clear as we observe the evolution of attackers. The fight against malware is ongoing. Stay safe, stay informed, and protect yourself and your organization from these malicious attacks. For additional details and IOCs related to this ongoing attack, check out the full report in the link below. Remember, in the game of malware, you either adapt or you get hacked. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and see you next time.